What you're gonna put is what you're gonna find. Welcome to the Golden Taste Cucina with Daniela. Today we're gonna make something that low budget. When you don't know what to do with some leftover, we can create something special for your guest or for yourself. So today we're gonna do polpettone. It's really simple and you use what is left over from your kitchen, apart some ingredients that you can find everywhere. So we have some rounded meat, 2 eggs, bread. I use, like, when you have old bread, you don't need to throw it away. We keep it and we're gonna use it for the recipe. You just add some water, you make it a little bit soft, and then we're gonna use it for our recipe. That is the nice things from the Italian kitchen. We always, is a pure kitchen, we use all the ingredients, not expensive and really easy to use for everybody. All the ingredients you're gonna see below on my recipe. But like I said, the meat, then I will add bread, some salt, pepper, garlic. Then I put 1 or 2 eggs, in this case I think is enough, 1, some parsley. You grate also some Parmesan inside, or if you have a pecorino cheese, or you mix any a little bit of grated cheese. And then we're gonna mix it. I think a cost, it will be like 4 or 5 euro. They can eat between 2 and 4 people. Now this is the consistency that you're gonna have, like this. And now I'm gonna do on my way, like I do always. Let's see. So now what I'm gonna do on my way, I'm gonna put some olive oil, because you can do in the oven, but I will do in the pan. I'm gonna slice this 2 onions to fry. I think you need for this dish like maybe a little bit longer than 15 minutes. You can also keep it for a few days. It's gonna be always tasty. So in the meantime that my onions are frying, I start to prepare my mini polpettone. So I just flat it a little bit. I'm gonna use a little of cheese. So doesn't matter which one do you like. If you want mozzarella or Bianca's, whatever you like, you know, what you have left over. It can be anything. Then, like I always said, you can use your passion and your fantasy. Some ham. And then I close it up. What you're gonna put is what you're gonna find. So if you wanna put extra, you find extra. Let's check our onion. Now I'm gonna put my polpettone like this inside, like this, one more, and they're gonna cook together. In the meantime, we can also prepare puree from potatoes. I already boiled some potatoes, so I'm cleaning my potatoes. I'm gonna quickly mash it. I had some butter, pepper, milk, like a couple of glasses, not too much, depends, but we don't need a lot. I turn it, some Parmesan, and now I'm gonna put on the fire. So that is the consistency that I'm gonna use here. Now that I see that is half cooked, I'm gonna turn them to the other side. You see, you start to get a little bit cold cover, so I turn to the other side. And in the meantime, I'm stirring my puree. You need to cook really slowly, and you're stirring every few minutes. Here is in 10 minutes, 6-7 minutes is ready, not so much. So you're gonna see that the ardapo start to boiling like this, then it's ready, so you can go down with the fire. So the cooking is almost on the halfway. I'm gonna add some wine. I'm gonna cover for 5 minutes, just that inside the polpettone will be cooking quicker. So now you can see the consistency of the polpettone. So the onion, they get more melted, the wine is get the nice color, and now we're gonna plate it with the ardapo puree, and we're gonna have a nice dinner. So you do like slice it, onion sauce. Yeah. So we are ready. We made our polpettone onion puree. Simple, easy budget, that everybody can make it, and we can have a beautiful dinner and maybe add an extra salad next to it and enjoy with our friends or just by yourself. Let me know if you like it or not. Sharing and caring with your friends. All the ingredients, my recipe below. I wish you a good day. See you soon. Ciao! Buonissimo. Really, really nice.